If your Android storage is full and you already deleted your favorite photos, you better stop because the real thief is WhatsApp. Every single time you send a high-definition video or photo, WhatsApp secretly duplicates it and hides it deep into a system folder that you can't see in your gallery. Let's find it now and kill it. First, head over to your phone's file manager. It might be called My Files or Files on your phone. Go directly into your internal storage and look for a folder named Android. Tap that and open Media folder. Then select com.whatsapp. From there, click into the main WhatsApp folder. Now open up any media directory like WhatsApp Video. This is the graveyard where WhatsApp stores an exact copy of every single video that you've shared with everyone. You already have the original file in your gallery, meaning everything in here is 100% useless junk data. Select all of them and hit delete. And next, head back and look right above it. There is a folder named Private. If you are in an active group chat, this is where your phone dumps media files sent by others that you actually never opened or saved. This is a massive storage killer. Open it and select all of them and delete them. Don't worry, deleting files from these two folders will not delete the photos or videos currently sitting in your main gallery. Your phone is going to breathe so much easier now. Drop a like if this helped and subscribe to the hub for more daily tech secrets. See you in the next video.